Gases are all around us, invisible yet essential. Did you know that the air we breathe is a mix of nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases? Each plays a crucial role in our survival. For instance, oxygen fuels our bodies, while nitrogen helps regulate our atmosphere. But gases can also be fascinating in their extremes. Take helium, for example. It's lighter than air, which is why balloons float. And then there's carbon dioxide, a gas we exhale, but also a key player in climate change. Exploring gases reveals not just their science, but their impact on our world. Isn't it amazing how something so invisible can shape our lives?